All right, so we have some requisitions regarding to the lights that we have here right now, right? So we have to switch in here, but we wanted to have it individual by turning on the fan at the same time. So how do we do this? Um, it's not really possible, but there's something that you can do. But at least one of them um, would control on its own, but the other one has to control like the all light in the fan. Because the thing is, like, we want to keep the fan on, like whenever you turn on this one or the ceiling light. All right, so that's what we're gonna do. So it's not 100% possible that we can do it like that. Um, um, the only way is like either one light will hooked up with the exhaust. It's either one, but like to split it and turn this one on at the same time is not really possible. See, just like this one it does, and then we can turn on this one, turn off this one, right? So if I turn on that one too, this one should come on too, but then the other two has to come on too. So that's the only way. So what we did here is we have to replace the the switch into a four-way. So like this is like what we did here. Um, I was like been trying to look for a way to split it, but there's no way. So this is only my best options to replace this one into four-way. So this is my sketch or my diagram regarding to the connections. All right.